gonna beat me in a game of skate?
We're gonna demolish you.
I'm sorry. Weakness what? Look at her face. She really?
Hi guys, today we're here with
Aaron.
and
Jasmine.
And?
the SF Skater Sisters.
And?
We're gonna beat Aaron at this game of skate.
You think you're gonna beat me in a game of skate?
Yep.
Okay, so confident.
No!
Okay, you
Forward
guys
flip.
are a team versus me.
Double trouble versus Aaron.
Great minds think alike. This could go forever. This could literally go forever. Okay, so you won, so now you're playing me.
No, I'm flipping.
Oh, we're flipping?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. No!
So what are the rules?
Alright, so the rules are, what's the rules?
Anything goes, any board, freestyle, normal, doesn't really matter.
No falls.
No falls.
Are
If
we
you
doing-
fall, it's the other person's turn.
Yeah, are we doing SK8?
T-E.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
S-K-A-T-E. Okay, and the winner gets what?
Another candy bar.
Whatever candy they want.
I
Whatever
already
candy
got
they
a
want.
candy in the last video. Check it out now.
This is my first trick. You ready? Ow, that hurt my ankle.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot.
That's okay.
I
Go
forgot
ahead, go
about that.
ahead. Do whatever trick you want. No mercy. Okay, good. Here's my other question.
What?
So the rules are just one of you guys have to land it, right?
Oh.
Big brain. Okay.
Yeah, big
Big
brain.
brain.
Okay.
All right.
Do you want to be really? Okay, I'll go freestyle.
Hard on you, just so you know.
Are you?
Yes. We're gonna demolish you.
Okay.
And your ankle.
Okay, because you said that. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone on the ground, and I'm going nollie.
Oh God.
Dare you?
You ready? Nollie. Oh, how did I miss?
Yeah!
It's
Okay,
SF Skaters.
Jasmine, who's gonna? Okay, I'll do the trick. I'm doing freestyle.
Straight to the freestyle board.
Jasmine, get the. Okay, so we'll start with something easy. I'll give you mercy for once. It's a regular flip.
One spin, rail flip.
What?
If you fall,
Okay, I have no idea. Hold on. Okay, wait. Do I have to like get into the rail stall?
No.
have to do everything.
Yeah, you have to
Hey,
go.
Ryan, don't give him any more mercy.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Yeah. It's okay.
1 second, celebrity moment here.
Good, how are you?
I've watched you for years. What?
Where are you guys
More
from?
Celebrity action.
From Woodland, California.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Even more fans.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have fun, guys. Okay, so we go up like this. We go down like that. And now what?
And then
Show me
And then
one more.
don't. I'll just do it again.
I owe you an explanation, but we're very
That way? That way?
backwards.
Varial flip.
It's like this. No. You put your feet up.
Like that? Okay. I'm landing it right here, okay? SF Skater Sisters.
You were so close.
S! I got an S! Double Cooper flip.
No.
I'm sorry. Weakness what? I wonder how your nollie flips are. Let's hope I got a nollie flip.
No!
Nollie flip! Don't worry. Both of you guys get a try. Any skateboard. You can use a freestyle board. Nollie. She went nollie heel on it. No, kickflip. Okay,
I could do regular kickflip.
S to S. Unfortunately, I don't think I can regular kickflip. Okay, that was good. Okay, I got one. I'm very interested to see if you guys got this too.
But you just did one.
You ready?
You
I
just
know,
did-
it's still my turn.
Oh.
What do you mean? I'm not gonna be mean to you. I'm not doing double rail flips. I'm gonna be nice. No comply 180.
Jasmine, you have to do it. I don't know how to do that.
Both
so-
of you can do it.
I know, but it counts if she lands it.
Wow,
Okay.
first try. Well played, well played. Okay, good.
I totally landed that.
Do you know what a strawberry
mean.
milkshake is?
Oh my god.
No.
You do?
Yeah.
I'll show you. Don't worry, I'll show you because I'm nice. I'll even teach you the trick right here. Back foot to the side.
Oh, okay.
Get
That's,
one practice try.
I'll give you one practice try, yes. Let me show you how it works. Down primo, and then the back foot, wrap it around.
Back foot.
Yeah.
So here.
Yep. Yep, just like that. You got it. Yeah, maybe the freestyle board's easier. Okay. Did you land it? That was your practice try. I'll give you one try. Okay, that was your try. That was
yes.
good.
Here.
Yep. I mean, I'll count that. I'll count that.
Yay.
I'll count that. I'll let it go. So wait, it's S to S, right?
We're winning.
I got an S. You got an S?
Yes.
And I can't do regular kickflips. Okay, here. See, I don't really know your guys' regular street skills. You got this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Did you get that one, Derek? Okay, do it again. She landed it. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Now I'm mad. You done made me mad. I'm grabbing freestyle board.
Angry Aaron.
Freestyle in your own game.
What?
Varial heel flip, Casper. How is that the best one I've ever done in the history of skateboarding? Varial heel flip.
Burial, okay.
Into
Burial
Casper.
what? To Casper?
Wait, so you go like.
Varial heel like this.
Wait, which foot are you flipping?
The front foot. Varial heel. Wait, I just realized that she can't heel flip. Got him. Problem is I can't heel flip either. Look at her face. Go ahead, go ahead.
Like you go backwards like this.
Yeah, and a heel flip.
Go in here.
And a heel flip, then land in Casper. Okay, good. That was your try. Now you got this. Let's go, Jasmine. Yeah. Okay, okay. So wait, that means you guys got a what letter?
SK.
And I got SK
K.
to S. SK to S. Let's see what else I got. Let's see what else I got here. Oh, I got one. Of course.
How dare you?
Old school kickflip, baby! Oh wow, that was so good. That was so good. Every bone in my body wants to count that, but we cannot. SKA to S.
Why did you give him that?
Look at her face. Really? Okay, okay, that's it.
Just wait until it's our turn.
Wait, just
I know, I can't, I actually cannot wait. Okay, you ready? This is legitimately the hardest trick I could do, ever done.
That's really fun to know. Yay!
Oh my,
Yes! Our turn.
SF Skater Sister's turn.
Okay.
Easy.
Yeah.
Who,
So that we
here's the
know it.
secret, you guys choose
Flip.
who's gonna do the trick.
You do it, right? I feel like your dues have to be paid. Sorry.
Okay, first, this is just so easy. But he doesn't know how to do it.
Holy guacamole.
Truck stand.
Okay, so stand like this, go like that.
And flip it down.
I feel like this board is gonna very badly injure me.
Yeah, pretty much. Ooh, that was bad.
Ah! Okay, SK to
S. Okay.
A.
You can go now. Oh, wait.
Derek, what is this diabolical scheming?
Okay.
Yeah!
No, no. If I even landed that, I would need to go see my doctor, which I probably need to see anyways. So, no way to crossfoot. So finger flip crossfoot.
So you start like this, finger flip here, and land like this.
It was because I did the nollie flip. This is all because of the nollie flip. I cannot. There's no universe where I'm crossing my legs.
SK.
A to A? We're tied up?
Is it 8 to 8 really?
Not soon. Soon it won't be.
She's like, soon it won't be.
Oh, this is a trick you just learned, so this is gonna challenge.
She's saying it's a
Oh
trick
my
I
God.
just learned,
Landed
so
it.
that's very scary.
You have to land it. Yes.
Okay. That was very well played. That was very well played. But thought you caught me out, didn't you?
Yeah,
Watch this
we
one.
did.
Thought I was gonna miss that, didn't you?
I shouldn't have given you tips.
Cooper stand. Oh.
Foot on the ground. Foot on the ground. It doesn't count.
Come
Foot
on,
Foot on the
defense,
ground.
defense.
It was foot on the ground. What do you think? What do you think?
What do you think? Comment down below.
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below.
SKT. I'm not. No more.
Okay, do it again. Okay, next trick. Derek, they're brutal.
I'm doing cookie dough.
Remember,
We've decided.
this is the last trick, and I get 2 tries. 2 tries on the last trick.
Oh my God. Wait, we got 2 tries too.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did
Don't
you
we
miss
get 2
that?
tries too? Don't we get 2 tries too?
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
Cut camera.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What do I got? What do I got? What do I got in me? The hardest trick in skateboarding. On this board now, not the freestyle board. Why, Aaron?
Yes.
Why?
I'm doing it again. Coconut wheelie. I just won you there.
Coconut wheelie, 2 tries. What do you think? Leave it in the comments below if Aaron can coconut wheelie.
Pause right here.
No! Try one. No!
SKATE.
Game over. Good job.
Double trouble. Win.
Okay, I did my best. I did every trick I knew. I just harnessed every power I had in me, and I still could not beat you.
We're double trouble. We already warned you.
You guys are amazing. Absolute best.
Thank you.
Where do they follow you?
Better follow us.
On
Where?
Skater Sisters on Instagram.
Give them a follow, Skater Sisters on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you out there having an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard.
Bye.